Hi, I'm Florence Wilson from University College Dublin and lead researcher on the EPF-funded project Peat Hub Ireland. Today we're focusing on Ireland's vital yet often overlooked giants, peatlands. Not just by size, they cover nearly a quarter of the land, but because healthy peatlands provide a range of benefits for human health and well-being, including improved air and water quality, lower carbon emissions, and access to natural and cultural heritage. In Ireland, peatland research has surged over the last 2 decades, yet a comprehensive synthesis of this diverse knowledge was needed to identify gaps and provide a clear roadmap for sustainable management of Irish peatlands. This is precisely the challenge that Peat Hub Ireland addressed. It meticulously synthesized 2 decades of Irish peatland research to identify key trends, risk and knowledge gaps. Ireland's National Peatland Strategy covers the period 2015 to 2025, which is coming to an end. It is therefore high time to review and plan for an innovative new strategy built on the evidence from multiple sources, and especially clear communication. That's why we have developed a living glossary and an open source database of over 1,000 records, as well as easily accessible and shareable fact sheets, and a comprehensive policy brief to guide decision makers. The strength of Peat Hub Ireland approach rests in its comprehensive, entirely replicable methodology, integrating expert and stakeholder knowledge with both peer-reviewed and grey literature, as well as extensive surveys. This ensured a broad, robust knowledge base, crucial for evidence-based decision-making in sustainable peatland management. The project delivered actionable insights, identifying 71 research gaps and 96 priority actions across key themes, such as biodiversity and climate, water, soil archaeology, paleo-environment, technology and mapping, society, culture, land use management, and policy and law. Crucially, the project established 4 strategic recommendations serving as foundational pillars for sustainable peatland management. These are accountability, longevity, equity, and holistic knowledge. These findings provide researchers, policymakers, and civil society with reliable, up-to-date evidence for sustainable peatland management. You can find out more in the EPF final report or our peer-reviewed paper in the journal Land, as well as our website www.ucd.ie/Peat Hub Ireland.